Hey friends, if you wish to fix sound distortion issues in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the main reason behind sound distortion, obviously, it can be with the speakers as well. So, first of all, check the speakers. Use it with a different system. Check if it's an issue with the speakers. If not, then one of the main reasons is that the amplitude or the volume is too loud. Okay, and how can you make it loud? So loud that it gets distorted by pushing it over 100%. So a lot of third-party applications like VLC have the option to push sound over 100%, even though it shows 100% in that bar. If you scroll up on your mouse, you can easily push the sound above 100%. Don't do that. The next is to disable sound enhancements. Right click on the system tray, select sound settings, wait for it to load, scroll down, click on more sound settings, right click on the speaker, select properties, go to enhancements, select this option, disable all enhancements here, check this box, click on apply, then on OK to save the settings, and it will help you a lot. And lastly, if everything else fails, then update the sound drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and right click and update all drivers, not just the speaker ones, each and every driver, because the sound drivers have this peculiar thing that they are associated with one another. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.